The best tasting protein bars that I've had. These are from Star and Honey. I got the variety pack. I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but there's a lot of other options other than chocolate. I've had 3 of these blueberry muffins. I had a raspberry donut the other day flavor. They have 14 to 15 grams of protein. Birthday chocolate chip. You got cherry chocolate waffle cone. You got salt caramel peanut butter. Now, the best thing about these is the taste and the texture. So they taste awesome, but the texture is even better. They're really soft. So usually protein bars are like, you know, they're brittle. You kind of bite them and they like break in your mouth. I don't know. These ones, oh my God, this one smells so good. And, but the texture is really good and the taste is really good. Everyone I've had so far, I haven't tasted the chocolate ones, but my daughter and my wife have tried the chocolate and they said it's awesome. They were literally like, this is the best thing ever for a protein bar. They taste awesome. Not just for a protein bar, but just in general. Sorry that I'm eating on camera here. But I got the variety pack. If I buy them again, I'll probably try to buy either the raspberry donut or this blueberry one. It's called Maple Blueberry Muffin. So good. Very big fan. Awesome. I would try them out. Seriously, they're awesome.